Tired of manually dragging shapes to fix messy diagrams? Learn how to auto-arrange layers in Draw.io for Jira in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you how to add Draw.io to Jira, then create a diagram, and finally, use the Arrange tool to auto-layout everything. All right, let's start by opening up your Jira account. Go ahead and log in wherever you normally do. Now, the first thing we need to do is actually add the Draw.io app to your Jira instance. This is a one-time setup, but it's essential. Head over to your Jira administration settings and find the Apps section. Search for Draw.io Diagrams for Jira and install it. I've done this a few times across different projects, and it usually takes just a minute or two to get fully added. Once it's installed, you're good to go. So now that we've got that set up, let's move on to your actual work. Open up your Jira project from the left side panel. Find the project you're currently working on, the one where you need that clean diagram. Then, click on the specific task or issue where you want to add the diagram. This could be a bug, a story, or a task. It doesn't matter. Just open it up. Now, on the right side panel, look at the top right corner and click on those 3 dots, the More Actions menu. From that dropdown, you'll see an option that says Add Draw.io Diagram. Click that. This will open up the Draw.io editor right inside your Jira task. Now, it's time to actually create your diagram. You can add shapes, connect them, build out your process flow, whatever you need. And here's the thing, don't worry about making it look perfect right now. Just get all your elements in place, even if they're overlapping or a bit messy. Once you're happy with the content, click the blue Create button. This saves the initial version of your diagram onto the task. Now, here comes the magic. In the Draw.io editor, look at the top menu bar and click on Arrange. This is where the auto layout feature lives. Click on it. A drop-down will appear with several layout options. You can choose from things like a tree layout, a flow layout, or an organic layout. Each one organizes your shapes differently. For most flowcharts, the flow layout works really well, but feel free to experiment. I've tested these, and the one you pick depends on how your elements are connected. So choose the layout you want. Then click the Apply button right next to it. Watch what happens. All those messy, overlapping elements instantly snap into a clean, perfectly organized structure. It's honestly one of my favorite features because it saves so much time. Finally, click Save in the top right to save your beautifully arranged diagram back to the Jira task. And that's it. You went from chaotic, manually arranged shapes to a perfectly organized diagram with just a few clicks. From now on, whenever your diagrams get messy, you know exactly where to go. Just click Arrange, pick a layout, and apply it.